So, Common Core, G for geometry, CO for congruence. It's number 10, use theorems to prove properties of triangles. So today we're talking about isosceles triangles. Now what we saw in our reading was that if you have an isosceles triangles, then the base angles have to be equal, okay? So if we take a look at this one, example 1, I know that angle C has to be congruent to angle B, okay? These two have to be equal. So to find out what it is, just subtract from 180. Subtract from 180 and divide it by 2, right? So let's go 180 minus 38. Let's see what that answer is. And then we'll just basically then divide it by 2. So 180 minus 38, I get an answer of 142. But I've got to put half of that in C and half that in B so they're equal. So just divide that by 2 and I think I get 71. So I get 71 degrees and 71 degrees. Thumbs up? Thumbs up? Easy, huh? Okay. So example 2. Same thing except we're going to have to solve for x, right? So we'll have to figure that out. Hey, Jana.
I just need you to sign the back that you marked me absent.
I did? Wow, how'd that happen? This got something wrong. There you go.
Thank you.
Okay, example 2. So same thing. If this side is equal to this side, then this angle is equal to this angle. We know that by Bates' theorem. Base angles of isosceles triangles are equal. So I'll just go x plus 40 equals 2x, right? All right. Minus x, minus x. So I've got 40 equals 1x, which is the same thing as x. So x is 40, but that's not the answer, right? X is 40, but that's not the answer. So let's take my 40 and plug it in. So 2 times 40 is 80. This one's also got to be 80 because we said they're equal, right? We could also plug it in. To get Q, we'll have to take 180 degrees minus the 2 80s. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Let me know when I'm off the page, okay? So these two, 160 degrees. What's left over would be just 20 degrees, right? Because 180 degrees in a triangle. Thumbs up. Okay, everybody thumbs up. Seemed pretty easy. Alright, example 3. Wow, all 3 sides are equal. What does that tell me about all 3 angles?
They're all equal and they all have 180 degrees.
Which means, there you go, that's what I want. Yep. They've got to be 60, 60, 60, right? So let's find x. So I'll say the 3x plus 15 equals 60, right? 60, 60, agree with you guys. So take your 3x plus 15, set it equal to 60. Let's solve. Minus 15 minus 15 of a 3x equals a 45, right? Divide by 3, x is 15. How's that?
Well, that's not the answer. Oh, never mind.
No, great question. Yeah. That is the answer this time, right? Thumbs up? Okay. And I'll turn the page in a moment. All right. Okay, let's turn that page. Oh, a proof. Oh, yeah. Don't you love proofs?
I love it.
Yeah. Well, let's see what we've got. So again, keywords. Okay, I see isosceles, so I'm going to mark it. So if triangle ABC is isosceles, and I know that this side is going to have to be equal to that side. You guys agree with that? X is the midpoint, so there's another keyword. And what I'm trying to prove is that triangle AXB, so I'm trying to prove that this triangle is going to be congruent to this triangle, okay? Hold on, let me get one that's sharpened. Okay, so I'm trying to get those two triangles congruent to each other, right? All right, step one, that's the easy one, right? Everybody agrees? Step one is going to be that ABC, triangle ABC is isosceles, and X is the midpoint of AC. I'll squeeze that in there. Reason? Nate, what's the reason?
Yes.
Yes is not the answer. Come on now, you got to pay attention. What's the reason? Put that in there. What goes right here?
Given.
Yes, of course it does. You knew that.
Yes.
And yes, it is given. You're correct. Totally right. All right. All of a sudden now, we go straight to angle A is congruent to angle C. Why do we say that? Why is A? Yes, Kurt's right. A is equal to C because it's an isosceles triangle. So we're going to write this. B-A-I-T, which stands for base angles of isosceles triangles are congruent, right? That's totally right, because it's an isosceles triangle, okay? So now what I have is two things of one triangle congruent to two things of another triangle. I have to have three, right? Got to have three things. So the third thing is staring right at us, right? And that's our, I guess we're going to take this one instead. AX is congruent to AC. What the heck? Where'd that come from? Say it louder. Definition of a midpoint. Good job, Eduardo. So I've got this midpoint thing, which means this side has to be equal to this side, okay? So let's see. What do I have? Last one's going to give me one more thing, isn't it? BX is equal to BC. What's that? Reflexive.
No, AB.
AB. Oh my goodness. Doggone it. I should slow down. What's the reason for that? Definition of an isosceles triangle. You okay with that? Definition isosceles triangle. There we go. Wow. I should slow down, huh?
Yes.
So what are my three things?
Side angle, side.
Side angle. Side, Claire, you're right. To another side angle side. So now we can say, once you've got the three pairs of congruent things, you can sum it all up to triangles. Triangle AXB is congruent to triangle CXB by, Claire, say it again.
Side angle, side.
Side angle side. Nice job, Claire. So, here's our homework. Page 276. We got lots of time, but we're not going to play on our phones.